Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Today's date is 30th June 2024. Our topic says preposition. Preposition. Under preposition, we are going to look into a topic that says in front. In front. In front. In front in Igbo, it means niru, niru or nihu. Just the same thing. If you say niru or nihu, depending your dialect, just the same thing. Look at a chair, and this one is a book. Now, examples. The sentence A says, the book is in front of the chair. The book is in front of the chair. In Igbo, it means 1B, it says, akwụkwọ dị n'iru or n'ihu oche. Akwụkwọ dị n'iru or n'ihu oche. Class, if I ask you, where is the book? You will say that the book is in front of the chair. Class, where is the book? The book is in front of the chair. You can see the chair is at the back while the book is at the front. Another example, you can see a gear in front of a car. Let's see the sentence. 2A sentence says, Ego is in front of the car. Ego is in front of the car. If you look at this girl called Ego, she is standing in front of the car. In Igbo, it means Ego nọ n'iru ụgbọala. Ego nọ n'iru ụgbọala. Class, where is Ego standing? Ego is standing in front of the car. Ego is in front of the car. Ndị class anyị, kedu ebe Ego nọ? Ego nọ n'iru ụgbọala. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Ego nọ n'iru ụgbọala. Ihe ọbụla dị n'ihu, a na-akpọ ya na bekee in front. Ọ bụ n'Igbo isu n'iru ma ọ n'ihu. The same thing. Like and share our videos.